What's going on, everybody? This is Randy over here with 380 Power Wash. We are out here in Carrollton, Texas today, taking care of another one of our customers. And just wanted to kind of show you this property and show you what all we're cleaning. We've got Gabe over here. He is getting everything soaked down. Gonna be going back through and getting like the rust stains and everything here, but getting all this treated. And we're basically doing all of this entryway here. All the way out to where the cones are. Go all the way over that way. It's the welcome center here. See, it's pretty dark, pretty dirty. A lot of algae and mildew growth and just some grime and everything from vehicles. Sidewalks. Gabe is getting everything soaked down. Got a good surfactant in there. It's gonna let it sit there and dwell like it's supposed to. There's progress coming along. Alright, Gabe's getting it all soaked down now. So now let's let it dwell for the appropriate time and then we'll start cleaning. Alright, well, you saw the job there, so now what we'll do is we'll just get everything cleaned up and we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Got plenty more to go. I just want to let y'all see a little bit of a difference. Obviously, it's still dirt and grime all over it, but you watch right here where the surface cleaner's at when it's going down. You can definitely see the difference. So, got quite a bit left to go. But looking good. You can see we got all that sidewalks and everything over there. Nice and clean. And we got this side over here. Left to do. We already pre-treated it earlier. So now we're just going through and rinsing down this half and getting all this rinsed down. And then we'll start on the other half. We're just finishing up here. You see, we got everything all washed down. Got a lot of leaves that are blowing back through here and can't really help that. But you see all the concrete is nice and clean. Doorway all clean. And it's all nice and done. Well, we got that job all taken care of, and while we were here, they went ahead and approved our bid for the other project that we had given to them. So we're going to get that on the schedule for them. But it's basically cleaning all this retaining wall that goes all the way around the property. I think there's somewhere around 3,000 linear feet. I know we bid it for the inside and outside, so pretty sure we're going to probably do both sides of the fence, or of the retaining wall, the stone wall. So to get all the algae and mildew and everything off and get this property looking new again. So if you need us, give us a call, 940-218-5777. We service all of DFW and surrounding areas, and we'd love to have you as a customer. You have a good day.